Hi Triple D Divas, it's Miranda from Corky's Wine and Nails. I wanted to show you an alternate way to apply your dip powder. So we just caught any of the little spillage, which is great with the cupcake liner, but it's also fun to pour over the powder on your nail. And so I'm gonna do the same thing where I did 3/4. And then now I'm going to turn my finger and pour the powder. Tap, tap, tap. Give it a moment. And then gently brush. Now, start at 3/4, push back, and make sure you do a nice, thin, even coat over the entire nail, and fan out the brush right around your cuticles. That's why I love their brushes. And their base formula is so nice and thin. All of it just self-levels and makes dipping so easy. So here we are going to go around the cuticles and make sure we have a nice, clean line like that. And it's gonna save us so much work later when we are buffing and filing. I'm gonna continue doing this. And start up a little bit, 3/4, push back, fan out the brush, pull up, completely coat the entire nail. Make sure you do not get it on your skin or your cuticles. Always wipe your brush in between dips. And just pour some of that powder over. And then quickly run the toothpick. So here's the two applications we've done so far. I personally prefer doing a pour over method than the straight dip in method. I just like the way that you can really make sure that your finger gets coated, but it's definitely personal preference.